Hey, kids! Today, we're going to explore a super exciting career, an inventor. Hammer and wrench light bulb. Have you ever had a special idea? Let's find out how to become an inventor. Inventors are people who create new things to make life better. It could be a toy, a machine, or even a scientific invention that helps the world. You need to learn math, science, and technology to understand how things work. And don't forget to train your imagination. Inventors need creativity, patience, and problem-solving skills. Sometimes, inventions don't work right away, but if you don't give up, you'll succeed. Inventors create things that make life better, like phones, airplanes, and even robots. Maybe you will invent something that changes the world. Do you think being an inventor is fun? Keep learning, creating, and experimenting. Anyone can become an inventor if they stay curious and creative. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to discover more exciting careers.